Congrats again on winning this fabulous Nutricare set. It smells delish and I hope you enjoy everything. Have a wonderful day. Tina. Hey, Tina. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so from last night I was showing you guys the products and what it said and everything. So just to go over it, so the shampoo that I got, this is from Fanola. It was made in Italy, and so I won this in a giveaway out of 130 something thousand people on Instagram. So I want to thank Fanola, and this is not sponsored. So basically what the shampoo, conditioner, and mask, it's for restructuring your hair. It's supposed to hydrate your hair. It's supposed to make it soft, leaves hair silky, and it's easy to comb through. And with the conditioner and mask, you actually have to leave it on for like a couple minutes. I left it on for like 10 to 15 minutes. And then what I did was I put on the shampoo, and then I washed it out, and then I put the conditioner, and then I put the mask over with it. I don't know if that makes any difference. I don't know if that really affects it, but that's what I did. It's for dry and frizzy hair, which I have, and it has milk proteins. It's for weak, stressed, and dry hair. Yeah, it makes it set. It makes it soft, and then yeah. I don't know. But anyways, this stuff, it smells so good. It smells like candy or vanilla. It smells so good. It's like butterscotch. I feel like it smells like butterscotch. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so good. I'm actually giving this to my mom. But yeah, I tried it once. So I tried it last night, and my hair, it was so dry because like I haven't got a haircut since September. I need to get a trim. But oh my goodness, when I tell you my hair is dry, it was like drier than the Sahara Desert, bro. It wasn't soft or anything. And then after the shower, I brushed through it, and I felt my hair, and I was like, oh my goodness, it feels like so good. It feels so soft. It smells so good. I was scared that it was gonna leave like that sticky feeling, like that weird feeling in your hair, because some shampoos do that, but this one doesn't. This one's like hecka good. Price for this is like $60, but I'll put it in the description below because I'm not really sure. So yeah, let's look at the mask. Yeah, you're supposed to leave it on for 5 minutes. I would leave it on for like 10 minutes. I don't think it will really affect it, but I feel like it would just make your hair more soft, more hydrated. But yeah, so it's called Fanola. So this is the hair mask, this is the conditioner, and this is the shampoo. Okay, so this is how much is in the bottle. Okay, this is the same amount, and then this one 16 ounces. This one's 16 ounces, and this is 11 ounces. So this one has more, I believe. Yeah. It's called Nutricare, and it's by Fanola, so please go check that out. I'll put it in the description below with the links. Please subscribe, like, comment, and if you guys like these type of videos, then once I get a job, I'll start buying stuff and I'll do reviews for you guys, like whatever you guys want me to review on. I think I'm gonna get a new face wash soon, so I'll let you guys know how that works, because I used to use Proactive. But thank you for watching. Please make sure to post notifications and comment down below what's your favorite shampoo, and we're out.